Whether you're deep in the wilderness or just enjoying a day hike, emergencies can happen when you least expect them. Being prepared is your best defense. Today, we'll dive into the essential gear you should always have on hand as part of your everyday carry, EDC, for bushcraft survival. These tools aren't just about comfort, they're life-saving assets when things go wrong. So, let's break down what makes up the perfect bushcraft EDC kit and how each item boosts your chances of survival in critical situations. The foundation of any EDC kit is a durable cutting tool. A knife isn't just for cutting things, it's an all-purpose survival tool. From making feather sticks for kindling to processing food, or even crafting tools, a reliable, full-tang knife is indispensable. Go for a blade that's versatile enough for detailed tasks, but sturdy enough for more demanding work like battening wood. Remember, a knife is only as good as your ability to use it, so take time to master the basics of knife handling and maintenance. Fire provides warmth, light, and a means to cook food. Having a reliable fire-starting tool in your kit is crucial. While matches and lighters are useful, they're vulnerable to moisture. That's why a ferrocerium rod or fire steel is an excellent alternative. It works in almost any condition, whether it's wet, windy, or cold. Practice is key here, so make sure you know how to use your fire steel effectively before you need it in a real situation. Strong, lightweight cordage is essential for any survival kit. Paracord is a popular choice because it's compact but can hold significant weight. Whether you're building a shelter, securing gear, or setting traps, paracord is invaluable. Plus, its inner threads can be used for fishing lines or sewing repairs. Carry at least 50 feet of cordage in your EDC kit. You'll thank yourself later. Without clean water, your survival chances plummet. While a water bottle is a good start, it's not enough for long-term survival. A portable water filter or purification tablets should always be part of your EDC kit. Filters can remove harmful bacteria and protozoa, while tablets can chemically purify water from streams or lakes. Hydration is critical, so always have a backup method for making sure your water is safe to drink. Having an emergency shelter is a game changer, especially in bad weather. A compact tarp or emergency blanket is lightweight and can be quickly set up to protect you from the elements. A simple tarp, combined with your cordage, can be transformed into a variety of shelter configurations, whether you're trying to keep dry during a rainstorm or block wind and snow. These items are lightweight and easy to pack, but can make all the difference when temperatures drop unexpectedly. A flashlight or headlamp is a must in your EDC, especially when the sun sets quickly or you need to navigate in the dark. Choose a reliable, waterproof model that runs on common battery types. Always carry spare batteries or, better yet, opt for a rechargeable headlamp with solar capabilities. Light is not only useful for visibility, but can also be a morale booster when you're out in the wild for long periods. Modern GPS devices are convenient, but they rely on batteries and signal strength. Two things you can't always count on in the backcountry. That's why a good old-fashioned compass and a detailed map of your area are vital. Learn basic land navigation skills, such as how to orient yourself and read topographic maps. It's the kind of knowledge that can get you back on track when electronics fail or run out of power. Injuries happen, and they can escalate quickly in the wild if untreated. A basic first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and painkillers should always be part of your EDC. Consider learning basic wilderness first aid, such as how to treat cuts, sprains, or even hypothermia. Your kit is only as effective as your knowledge of how to use it. To recap, your everyday carry should always include a dependable cutting tool, fire starter, cordage, water purification tools, emergency shelter, a light source, navigation aids, and a well-stocked first aid kit. These aren't just optional items. They're survival essentials that give you the best possible chance when things go south. Every item serves a purpose and helps you prepare for the unknown. Now it's your turn. Take a look at your current EDC setup. Are you carrying the tools that could save your life in an emergency? If not, it's time to make those upgrades. Also, practice using your gear so that when the time comes, you're ready to act with confidence. Preparedness is the key to survival, and it's always better to have your gear and not need it than to need it and not have it. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, your everyday carry could be your lifeline.